Let's give a big hand to welcome the Union Minister. Because we have been waiting for quite a long time for the coming of this occasion. And we are making a lot of preparation. And as we have seen here, we have set up a pandal here. But because of the northeasterly rain, it was totally destroyed. And then with the help of the forces and the young people and the people, they have set up this pandal again. These really manifest, it shows that Laldenga Center auditorium, which will contain between 5,000 people to 10,000 people, the necessity of establishing that auditorium, I believe here it emphasized, which the Union Home Minister is going to lay the foundation of that. While we are there together in Guwahati, I emphasize the need for laying the foundation center of this Laldenga Center. And he kindly agreed in addition to this Assam Rifle Complex. This Assam Rifle new complex, which is the requirement of the people of Mizoram, the Assam Rifles and the Home Ministry. During the time of Mr. Laldenga, the first State Chief Minister of Mizoram, it was found a very suitable Assam Rifle Complex ground there on Zokhawsang opposite to this. And after we identified this, when everything was arranged, a law was passed in the House that when the Assam Rifles vacated this land, it should never be used for a individual purpose. It will be meant only for the public purpose. Therefore, the law itself was passed. Now, in order to inaugurate this Assam Rifle Complex, the Home Ministry has sanctioned crores and crores of rupees. It took some time to build the complex, and after it was finished, the occupation and the inauguration was about to start. But because of the COVID, things cannot move as it should be. But at last, with the agreement and the time spared by the Union Home Minister Amit Ji, now we are in a position to inaugurate this new Assam Rifle Complex over there, a beautiful and a very wide land that Mizoram has allotted. And in addition to that, here in the appropriate place, we are going to build Laldenga Center, as I have said, which will be able to hold the people between 5,000 people to 10,000 people, so that every time when we have a function, it will not be necessary to build a new pandal and trying to embrace and make a preparation for any eventuality like the monsoon or the northeasterly rain. So today, our special thanks, a very special thanks goes to the Union Home Minister for inaugurating these two things, as well as other projects which we have noted it down here. And we are really, really grateful to the Home Minister. In spite of his very busy schedule, he spared the time to come here in a time like this. Mizo people and Mizoram and my government believe that certainly this will be a milestone for the good relation between the people of Mizoram and the people of India. I wish you to excuse me, I'll speak a little in Mizo. Hey, Voina, kan Union Home Minister Som tak puamit sa local taa. Mana kan Assam Rifle mun thar hi nang mani Home Ministry na min saksak ania but poisatam taksenga insak ania peyan ito amaro chu COVID vangin kan duangin na kan thoksak theilova chu wangin min honsak tolatin delhia nikum lamatang to dekhan kasoma hun thaberenge niangatia November niangatia November kanan tuma amar chu Gujaratin thanawang tele mundangin thanawangin sesonina ron zomboksia ati thei talova ti chuan ama point min ron phone ringa kanin phone a engtinge hun remchang ngatia ngau hatia annuwa kanin mu point tun hun hi kanhan tumta ania alomom le maya ti chuan voina weather kwa hetianga athalo chung point alo kal rama helama theitopin kanawin buat sai rama Mizoram Chief Minister State Chief Minister mas saber pulal dengan ram sota alo muka Union Home Ministry in anan saa keini ara seng tua kanlo om taa alom om kantia amaro chu kan thia tangin ni min lama te kwa khinen ruanen alo kalawangin kan pandal te menti chiat saka hei hian laldeng center mipui sanga tanga sing khatvel len theina tur in sak kantum apoi mozia le tulzia atar langin kan ria ani engponi sela chubaka voina kan Union Home Minister ina AR Battalion Headquarter emi complex ahon turbaka laldeng center foundation an pum dona chubaka chuan hei adang dang kan hontur nei te adang dang foundation stone kan phum tur te minti saktura voina local hi kan lom tak taka Mizoram tan melung poimo zoram mi puile India sarkar te inkara in zoom nale in kalpo na thale isual asiam kan ringa chuwangin voina hian hun kan long halele pathianina kan kuapo min iptira min ngai dam hi kan lom tak taka voin hi zoram mi puite tan ni poimo ani ngei ringin voina hian kan Union Home Minister puamit sahi kan loma voina local zong tele hemietana local zong te in vain lom tu ka shila cheu kalome